What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be filming a tutorial on this eye look for you guys. So yeah, this look was inspired by caramel apple lollipops because I wanted to use the green in this Morphe eyeshadow palette and I wanted to do a halo eye, so I was like, green and brown, duh. And yeah, I really like how it turned out, so I hope you guys like this video and thanks for watching. As always, I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral. And I'm going to set that with my Cover FX translucent setting powder, and then we will go in with eyeshadow. So today I'm going to be using my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to be trying to create a halo eye. That's when you make the outer corner and the inner corner and your crease all one color, and then you do your very middle part of your lid something to like stand out, I guess. I mean, that's just how I think halo eyes are done. So I'm going to start off by using my tapered blending brush E35 by Sigma, and I'm going to take this lightest shade right here and just put that in my crease.
Every little thing you do got me feeling some type of way. When you give me that thunder, you make my soul rain. Every day, and it won't stop.
Next, I'm going to be darkening it up a little bit with this orange shade, and I'm just going to be doing the same exact thing. Okay, so now that I have somewhat transition, I'm going to go in with these two light brown shades. I'm going to mix them, and I'm going to take them on a little shader brush, and then I'm going to blend it out with a little tapered blending brush, and I want to use a little one. This is the Okay, so next I'm going to darken it up with this dark brown shade, and I'm just going to do the same exact thing, but a little bit darker, and then also Okay, now that the center of my eyelids are all clean, I'm going to go in with a synthetic concealer brush, and I'm going to go right over that concealer that I just put on the center of my lid with this green color. So I'm going to take that on my brush, spray it with some Fix Plus, and go right over top. Okay, so now we're going to go back in with our tapered blending brush, our small one, and I'm going to take some of this brown color and just darken up the outer corner and inner corner a bit more.
I booked the video once again because I had to. And just like Dirty Bobby, baby girl, I can hide. You just let me work it straight and yo. Anyway, it's okay. You'll play some mine all night until the next day. Do the ditty if you want to, because then I can see if I want to. Just do the ditty if you want to, because then I can see if I want to. Just do the ditty if you want to, because then I can see if I want to. Just do the ditty if you want to, because then I can see if I want to. Here we go from the top, second verse of the same song with the conclusion.
Okay, so I decided to darken it up a little bit more because I didn't really like the way it was looking, so I went in with some of this dark brown shade and darkened it up. And I also had a little bit of a mess, but it's all good. We'll clean it up. So next I'm going to be going in with my Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I'm going to be taking the green shade in it. Can't really tell in the pan, but it's green, and I'm going to put that right over top the green in my center.
Young with two.
Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera, finish up the rest of my makeup, and we'll be back to finish the bottom eyeshadow. So I'm all finished with the rest of my face makeup, and so now we're just gonna finish up our bottom eyeshadow. To do that, I'm gonna use this dark brown shade again, and on a flat definer brush, I'm just gonna take that along the lower lash line.
They say I'm next to get it, they bring your name up last. And while I made a splash, rappers came and passed, but still.
And then I'm just gonna blend it out with this color.
Ask myself, how long does famous last? But I ain't worried about it tonight.
Okay guys, we're all done, and I really like how it turned out. I think it looks really, like, it pops in the center, and that's my favorite thing when eyeshadow does that, is when it like just stands out. So yeah, I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye look today. I will be back with another makeup tutorial here shortly, and I'm going to be making some collab videos coming up. Make sure you're staying on the lookout for those. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me some suggestions below if there's anything that you guys want to see from me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
What the fuck they gon' say?